Hello and welcome to a video from Miniature Tanks Company. So in this one we're going to be assembling this Challenger tank. So these tracks are good as they are. So now let's start to clip away this support from under this gun. Alright, so just clip it like I'm doing here. Alright, so that's clipped away. If need be, you can sand this down clean underneath part of that gun. Next, let's clip away this sprue there. So that piece is done. And then we got a screw piece. That piece is done. And that piece is done. Alright, that piece is done. Just cutting away these little sprues. Sprue by sprue, piece by piece. Alright. Now let's get this sprue cut. Yeah, so this is the front part of the tank. So just cut carefully like I'm showing you. Can cut those pieces. Now cut those pieces like that, and then you can cut that sprue there, and then that piece from there. And then let's go ahead and do the other side. So I'm working with the 1/72nd scale. As you can imagine, some of the smaller scales would be more intricate to work with. So be careful as you work with that. Alright, so that piece is done. And then let's go ahead and clean that one up. Last two little sprue marks here. Sprue cuts. One more. You are done. Now let's proceed to the glue step. So I want you to go ahead and put a little glue there, there, and there. Go ahead and put this cylinder there. Great. So up next, we actually have this to put together. Alright, so after that has been figured out, this piece goes in the center there, like this. So go ahead and get some glue on that. And let's put that in the center of this. Great, so now that that is in the center, things are starting to take shape. You can see how that should be going like that. So just put a little glue there, there, and there. The goal is just to put this like so. Great. So you got the front. It's not entirely done because we got this little front pieces to add. Before I do that, I'll just make sure that these little sprue marks are completely cleaned off. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's do these front little pieces. if you think it might help, tweezers can help. Or not. Whatever. That's definitely a tricky part. Looks good to me. Let's carefully get that part into place as well. Alright, so those front pieces are in place. Now let's go ahead and work on this back piece. So essentially, put some glue there and glue there. Alright, we've placed that piece like that. Now we can place this piece there. So for that, let's put some glue there down like that. These edges. Let's try to put that piece in place. There we go. Very good. Some limited pieces left to do. Let's get these tracks put down there. Remember, this one faces the back. Yeah, when I place tracks, I always take and make sure that these things are going in the center, the axle things going in the center of the wheels. All right, now let's go to the other side. Very good. Tracks in place. Now I believe that you could be done. Probably that could be done the way it is. But we're gonna add these side mud flaps, mud skirts, mud things. We're gonna add those for the final product. Good, that looks good. And then just add some glue here. Yeah, that also is done. Looks good. Now let's add some glue in the back and then glue in the front. Good. Next, add this back piece. Sometimes these little pieces are hard to work with. There you go. Then there's the turret. Tools aside. And this Challenger tank is complete. Thank you so much for watching.